Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem solution. 5 plus square root of 96 plus 16 times square root of 20 in whole square root. Now this 96 can be written as 5 plus square root of 16 times of 6 plus 16 times of square root of 20 in whole square root. Now we are going to take 16 common out from this. So 5 plus square root of 16 open bracket 6 plus the square root of 20 in whole square root. We are going to apply this formula. Square root of AB equal to square root of A times square root of B. This we are going to apply here. So we'll get 5 plus square root of 16 times square root of 6 plus square root of 20 in whole square root. Now the square root of 16 is 4. We are going to apply here. So 5 plus 4 times of square root of 6 plus square root of 20 in whole square root. Now this 20 can be written as 5 plus 4 times of square root of 6 plus 4 times of 5 in square root. We are going to apply this formula. AB in square root equal to square root of A times square root of B. This we are going to apply here. So we'll get 5 plus 4 square root of 6 plus square root of 4 times square root of 5 in whole square root. Now this can be written as, we know this square root of 4 is 2. We are going to apply this here. So 5 plus 4 square root of 6 plus 2 times of square root of 5 in whole square root. Now this 6 can be written as 5 plus 4 square root of 5 plus 1 plus 2 times of square root of 5. We are just multiplying 1. So in whole square root. Five plus 4 square root of 5 plus 1 plus 2 times square root of 5 times 1 in whole square root. Now change this as 5 plus 4 square root of, this can be written as square root of 5 square plus 1 square plus 2 times square root of 5 times 1. Now we are going to apply this algebra formula, that is a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab equal to a plus b whole square. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get 5 plus 4 square root of square root of 5 plus 1 whole square. Now this square and square root will cancel each other. So 5 plus 4 square root of 5 plus 1 in square root. Now we are going to multiply this 4 here. So we'll get 5 plus 4 times of square root of 5 plus this is multiplying here. So 4 in whole square root. Now this 5 and this 4 is 9 plus 4 times of square root of 5 in whole square root. Now this 9 can be written as 4 plus 5 plus 4 times of square root of 5. Now this 4 plus 5 plus this 4 can be written as 2 times 2 square root of 5. Now this 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2 plus this 5 can be written as square root of 5 to the power of 2 plus 2 times of 2 times of square root of 5. Now looking this, we are going to apply this algebra formula: a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to a plus b whole square. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get 2 plus square root of 5 whole square in square root. Now looking this square and square root will cancel each other. Now we have 2 plus square root of 5. This is the final answer for given problem. Look back the sum whatever we have done. Thanks for watching this video.